It's not new brand at all. I remember I have used these cartridges EZ Revolution maybe about 6-7 years ago. I will not lie that I was impressed or I loved these cartridges, but it was many years ago, so I gave one more chance to these cartridges and they made new tattoo machine. Looks really interesting. Let's see what in the box. This machine is P3 Pro. It's so fancy now, call everything Pro. I think it makes more horsepower or something like that. What we have inside? For sure you will be surprised, but it's tattoo machine. I think I saw this shape before. Cable, and I don't know why. Nothing special. I mean, cable, charger that I will not use, but it's okay. Warranty. This tattoo machine is very easy to use. That shape have flux max. But I think this tattoo machine much better. Why? $80. Just 80. And then this battery will be enough for 6 hours of tattooing for sure, because I made 2 tattoos with this battery without any charging, and about 30% left. So battery very good. 9.5 volts. It was comfortable for me. What I can say about vibration? I have nothing to say, you see everything, and I call it low vibration. Perfect. Okay, adjustable stroke, nothing special, easy click. 4.2 for me, perfect. I love this stroke and it's best for me. 3.7 is good for more delicate places on the body and for shading. 3.3, who loves? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, for me 4.2, sometimes 3.7. Clickable mechanism here, and that's all. That's the end of my review. Okay, I'm joking, but seriously, it's just perfect piece of stuff, and more important than low vibration, it's ergonomics. It's so comfortable in the hand. That's what for I fall in love with Flux Max, for this shape of the grip. In my opinion, it's the best shape for hand. It's most natural position of your fingers. During 3-4 hours, no any tired hands or something like that. LED display, very tasty looks. All you need need to know, you can see here, time of working, voltage, even hertz, if someone love to set your machine by hertz, not watts. And you see here symbol of Bluetooth, so it means we can connect this tattoo machine with application, with your phone, with your iPad, but not today. Not today because there are no any application yet. Very nice thing in these cartridges, that's the cover. I mean, on your workstation, when you have few cartridges and every cartridge looks the same, sometimes I don't understand what it is, RS or RL, but here you see orange, red, white, easy. I think it's good voice, a good sound of machine. .2, 9 volts, 9 RS. My subjective opinion, this tattoo machine is the kind of machines that soft hard or hard soft. If you work this kind of machines before, you know what I mean. It's so confident, but at the same time it really soft, and you can make soft shades, for example, without any damaging, too much damaging skin, yeah. But with line work, the same, no problem. I don't know how it works, but there are few tattoo machines that have this possibility. 17 meg. Some little noisy because of 17. If you will put it in the inks, it will be quiet and soft. Believe. Cartridges. Good quality. No any splashes around when you tattooing. It's very stable. Good quality of needles. I think they fixed something. If I can compare the same cartridges 6 years ago, now it's much better, and I had no any issues. Tattoo machine, one of the most comfortable tattoo machines I ever used. Now I think the same comfortable was Flux Max, but Flux had some. Okay, doesn't matter. This one, it's much better. It's my subjective opinion. If you don't agree, it's not my problem, sorry. $250 only, and for $80 you can buy one more battery if you will not enough, but I think that for one big piece, even if you work slowly, 5-6 hours of tattooing, it will be enough for sure. When you will order this tattoo machine, you can try their cartridges. It's really good, really good. I have nothing to say bad about these needles, and very comfortable these colors on the cartridge. You see what kind of cartridge you have on your workstation. for sure I will use it sometimes in my work, because you know I have a lot of machines and it's really difficult for me to choose one and work all the time the same machine. No, I'm not this kind of man, but this one will be on my, you know, highest level of favorite machines. There I have maybe 5 tattoo machines max, so it will be one of these 5 for sure. So order, links under video in description, order machine, cartridges, try it. I'm sure you will satisfied with this tattoo machine. So see you next time, next review. Watch my time lapse, real time, comment, sub, everything you want. Thank you.